Hi class, for this lab we're going to use Excel to produce a whisker plot. So these are the steps. So open up the actual file, and all I need is a picture. If you download it, Canvas can't read it. So a picture will be sufficient. So this is what you're going to actually see in the file. And to produce the whisker plot, highlight the dataset and then go to Insert, and then it's going to be here. So that would be the actual whisker plot. Modify the title. In this case, it's called dataset number 1. And it's just slightly different than the one that we did last time. This one puts it on a vertical axis as opposed to horizontal axis. So just submit a picture of this dataset, and that will be it for this lab.